Hi, I'm Travis Sasser. I'm an attorney at Sasser Law Firm in Cary, North Carolina. And today I'm going to talk briefly about how household income can affect a bankruptcy filing. To begin with, in Chapter 7, if a debtor's debts are primarily non-consumer in nature, then household income really doesn't come into play. So if there's been a business reversal, tax obligations, tort debt, and those claims are the primary debts that the debtor owes, then household income probably won't matter. On the other hand, if debtor's debts are primarily consumer in nature, and consumer would be things like a residential mortgage, a vehicle, credit card debt that is incurred for the household or personal use of the debtor, mostly student loan debt would probably be considered consumer debt, then we do have to look at the household income. So we look at the last 6 months, and we look at the whole household. So even if only one spouse is filing, we do have to account for whatever household income is coming in that's actually for the benefit of the family. In any event, we run that and we compare that to the state median. And the median depends on the household size. It's anywhere between $51,000 and $108,000 depending on the household. If the debtor is below that median, that's a very good sign. That probably means that the case won't be determined to be abusive. If, on the other hand, it's above it, the case still may be fine, but there's some additional work that has to be done. A longer form or additional analysis is done to determine whether or not the case is presumptively abusive or not abusive. Over in Chapter 13, what household income helps to determine is the required duration of the plan, whether or not it's going to be possibly a 3-year plan or a 5-year plan, and it also can help to establish a floor for how much has to be paid back in a case, depending on the facts of the case. And so the analysis is very similar. It's not identical. There are a few differences between the Chapter 7 means test and the Chapter 13 means test, but they work about the same. Our firm is happy to run these numbers and analyze these things. We offer free consultations over the phone or video or in person. Our firm is Sasser Law Firm in Cary, North Carolina. Feel free to call us. Our number is 919-319-7400. Thank you.